It's like I'm making my own ramen here. ये तो कोरिया में भी नहीं मिलता है. Can I? Sorry. It's like piping hot. Wait.
Namaste. Mumbai, who's ready to party?
And all the best, Banda. What a pleasure.
Yeah, I hope you enjoy the show.
I love you both.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi everybody, Sakshma here. Love you, Cubies. I hope you all are doing well. I'm at K-Town. Finally, K-pop idols have started coming to India. I'm so happy. And I was like, since we're doing K-pop, we have to start with the most popular Korean drink ever, soju. So let's do shots and get the party started. Let's go! I have Prashant with me, who doesn't really, he doesn't know much about K-pop, but I told him he's gonna enjoy with me tonight. So it's my responsibility to make sure he enjoys tonight. Come, do you have soju? This? Soju? Soju? Soju?
Soju! Soju!
I feel like this crazy person craving for soju. I don't know where soju is. Where is it? I think we finally found soju, guys. That is soju, like the most popular Korean drink. When I went to Korea, they would like have soju for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So you can't have a Korean party without soju. Can I have we have to buy the whole bottle, right? So I'll take a bottle and we'll do shots. You'll do shots, Rushang. So in Korean, cheers is konbae. 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 It's like vodka. Is this flavored? Ooh, it is very nice. Which flavor is this? Peach. Really nice. We'll come back for more. Thank you. Do you want to have soju? Will you get drunk while we shoot? Then the camera will go tipsy. Huh? We have backup cameras. You guys should show yourself. Look at them. My team. This सब camera shy हो गए देखो सबको शर्म आ रही है camera पे. Okay, we've done Korean soju. Let's go find some Korean food because Korean food is so good. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna first check out what else there. This is hi. Hello, what is this? Is this like Korean cake?
Yes, Korean buns, donuts, brownies.
Oh no, I am allergic to gluten. I cannot have cake. I'll have it next time though. It looks so good. That's my life. Like whenever we go out and my friends have like pizza, burger, McDonald's and all that, I just look at them. I cannot have any of that. That's so sad, right? I think this is is this live ramen?
Yes, this is live ramen.
I think we should have ramen. Trushank, where is Trushank? You have gluten free?
Gluten-free strawberry.
No. Take it, we'll find something gluten free. If you are gluten intolerant, you will be thin. That's why I'm so thin. क्योंकि कुछ खाने को मिलता ही नहीं है, guys. Bam Bam's here, let's go! Let's go, Bam Bam's here. So Bam Bam's like the first one performing out of the 4 K-pop idols.
Namaste.
Bam Bam's on stage! Oh my freaking god!
How you guys doing? Y'all doing good? All right, right side, y'all make some noise.
Thank you, nice to meet you. Perfect. You too, what's your name? Avni, nice to meet you. Oh my god, I love you too. You're so sweet.
Love the interview.
Thank you. Woo!
you so much.
Oh.
I love you so much. Like you've been interviewing BTS.
Oh my God.
Your questions were amazing.
Thank you. What's your name?
Divya Lakshmi.
Divya Lakshmi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I love you.
I love you too.
Just the questions you ask, like they're so thoughtful and so
Thank you.
amazing. Like you're like literally making us proud. Like I
Oh,
think.
what's your name?
Sanika.
Sanika. That's
Yeah.
a very nice name.
I'm a dentist. If you need dental treatment, you can come anytime.
Oh my God. Do I? Do I need dental
In
treatment?
case you don't.
Like if a dentist comes to you and says, if you need any dental treatment, I'm like, okay, I don't know.
This is not going on the record. This is not-
It will. Everything is going unfiltered. Come, let's pose. Nice photo. Thank you. Bye. I found something Korean that I really want to eat, corn dog. I had it in Korea. I hope the one in India is just as good. We'll find out now. That's a corn dog. That's like a Korean street food and it's really famous, okay? Trishang, you have my phone, right? Like every 5 seconds I ask him if he has my phone because I have like trauma. I went to like Switzerland once and somebody just stole my phone. Tab se I am like one traumatized person. I get like a mini heart attack every time I can't feel my phone in my pocket. It's ready, thank you! Why do I think like the corn dog in India is actually better than the one in Korea? I think it's so much better. They did a good job. This has like all the cheese inside. I hope it stretches this time. Let's see.
Better?
Oh my god. This is so good. I think we should give them credits. Let's show. We're gonna do Korean fried chicken now because because that's like really like signature Korean food. So let's go. Korean fried chicken. Can we get Korean fried chicken? So I just came from Korea because of Squid Game. And everybody was like hell-bent on having fried chicken because the way Koreans fried chicken, it's just crazy. Okay, there is something over there that I really want to check out. It is called the Love Ball. We actually get to give them messages. That's a really good picture of Chen. I mean, he's like so handsome. I have a soft corner for BI because out of all these artists, he's the only one who's come for the second time on my show. So love BI. This is Bam Bam, the OG rock star. Human. What are we supposed to do? Give messages? Oh, I want to give a message to like Bam Bam. I love talking to Bam Bam today. Do not judge my handwriting, okay? I've not like used the pen in like 10,000 years. I'm gonna write Namaste Bam Bam. India loves you. Yay! That's for Bam Bam. I hope he sees it. Oh my god. We're supposed to leave it here. Oh my, you watch me every day at 4 p.m.
Yeah.
Thank you. We should show the mommy. She's so sweet. Mommy came with baby to concert. Thank you. You take care. Loads of love. Bye. Bye. So cute. Like her mom took her to a concert. That reminds me of the time my mom used to take me. तो तब तो concert नहीं होते थे. She used to take me to these melas. We used to have like गुड़िया के bar and stuff. तब वही खुशी थी. और वो एक मोबाइल मिलता था जिसपे अलग-अलग गाने बजते थे. You know, you press a button and there's this boom bro and all. Let's not talk about it. It's kind of embarrassing. Yeah. And oh my god, what is this? Ramen station. Oh, this is live ramen. You can choose the ramen. You can get it like cooked. And you can eat it like right there. That is so cool, right? But because I'm like intolerant, I don't think I can have this. But I really feel like, क्या करूँ मैं खा लूँ क्या एक ramen? I think I can totally go for a ramen. Trishang, he has my card. He's so sweet. Trishang, you got me my fried chicken. So sweet. Oh, that is what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna take the whole thing in one go. Oh, it's so good. So good. There is so much food. I love places like these. It's like एक चीज खा के खत्म हुई नहीं कि दूसरी चालू हो गई. That's my kind of jam, you know. Oh, there are like different flavors. Veg, masala, chicken and cheese. We're going for cheese. Cheese ramen. Let's go. It's like I'm making my own ramen here. That is the coolest thing. ये तो कोरिया में भी नहीं मिलता है. You can make your own ramen, but you can make it here. Can I? Ooh. Sorry. I'm messing with this cooking process. Guys, free stuff if I win. So I'm gonna spin it. If I get lucky, I get a prize. Ta-da! वैसे मेरी किस्मत बहुत खराब होती है गेम्स में. You guys must have seen it. Squid Game की पूरी ट्रिप में मैं सिर्फ हारी हूँ, हर गेम हारी हूँ. Yay! Oh my god, I got it! You knew I was going to cheat, क्या? ये सबको पता है मैं बहुत बेईमान हूँ. Thank you, I got my free ramen. Thank you so much. This is like a restaurant come playground. Okay. What am I supposed to do? Here? Is this like a photo booth? Oh, okay. What is that? Hot. Is it talking about me?
Tongue twister.
Tongue twister. Baapre. Tongue twister. I'm gonna be really bad at this, I think. I just take the first one. How many ketchup? Oh. Okay. How many times? 10 times. Let's do it. How many K-Chow could a K-Chow chef cook if he could? One last, if we get it, I win. How many K-Chow could a K-Chow chef cook if he could cook K-Chow? हो गया, I win. Okay, beauty के भी marks होते हैं. Let's do ramen now. My ramen is ready. बना लिया आपने? देखो कितनी मेहनत से बना रहे हो. Speed देखो इनकी. कितना speed में वो he's mixing it. ये मेरा ही है ना? Okay. My ramen is ready. Chopsticks नहीं है? Chopsticks, you have to eat it with chopsticks, right? You need to eat it like a Korean. It's like piping hot. Piping. So good! I love it. I feel like I'm back at Han River. I really miss Seoul.
I saw that.
I feel like I'm in a commercial for ramen. The first drama, K-drama I ever watched, just से मेरी K-pop journey and like K-love journey शुरू हुई. It was like Boys Over Flowers. That's like Goo Junpyo, the most iconic K-pop or like K-drama character ever. He was like this really grumpy teenager in the show, but like everybody loved him. Nice to meet you. I love your hair. Look at her hair, it's so pretty. How did you do this?
Like they did that.
Oh my god.
There is a pop-up store.
What is happening? This is a very iconic song. Whose fan are you all? Bye, bye, bye. Take care. Hello. Yeah. Hi.
All your interviews.
Thank you. What's your name?
Anshula.
Anshula. Nice to meet you. It's a really nice name. Rishank is there. Rishank is disappearing. Like, he feels like he doesn't have to accompany me the whole time. He vanishes for 15 minutes, then comes back. Ashiki ab tum hi ho. I taught him that. I'm so cool. And he remembered. That is so cool. I taught him that.
I knew it!
Yes, I saw it.
Yeah!
Oh my God.
오케이. 인디아 엑세스 메리 아시키 탑 하이.
It's been like the greatest concert ever. I've been here since like 8 a.m. doing interviews and everything, but my God, it's been all worth it. They enjoyed so much today, and India gave them like so much love. I'm so happy. K-pop idols are finally coming to India, and they're gonna keep coming. So keep supporting. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog, and do watch all the interviews I did with the artists. I hope you love them too. I love you all so much. Thank you for supporting me. Bye bye. Good night. Take care. Woo!
Power is you. Stop messing with your mind. Your mind just plays with you. Packing your bag, going to the gym. It's all you need to do. Drop.
Let's start.
We are ready to roll.
You know, I just worry, like, on stage, I don't know what language should I speak.
English.
Okay, that's
And I
perfect.
think like 95% people will get you.
That's good. That's
Yeah.
good. All right, thank you.
Are you gonna say something in Hindi to them?
I just, just go with the flow.
Yeah. I think you'll be fine, Bam Bam. They'll love you.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I don't even look at the script because I want it to be organic, you know.
It will be.
Yeah.
The show is very chill.
You don't need to stick with that. You just do whatever
Are
you
you
want.
sure? Then fine.
Feel free. Yeah.
Let's go. And
subscribe and hit that
like and subscribe.
and hit that. What the hell is that?
Bell button.
Bell button. Yeah.